Alright, we back again with another. Hey, I'm Blue Bike and Doors channel. We in the sheds, that means we dicking right now. Don't really mean that, because I could have been doing a mail call or just getting the bike out. But anyway, you watching Blue Bike and Doors channel with another episode of Dicking Around in the Shed. We're going to see if we can't get this messed up, this backup camera. And it's going to be a lot of work. So let's dive into it right after this intro. So, are you dirty? These goods are going for the Farky ladies. A rainbow, but she, a pride monkey. Alrighty, this is a Spyder Extra because they Can-Am's too. Sorry, hey, made in the U.S. of A. Can you believe that? The Spyder's made in Canada. Canada. So we got. Here's your camera. It's plug and play. But getting to them plugs is the hard part. Why didn't they put that wire in there with it? Huh? Yeah. Anyway, I thought it had those stickers. It does. Huh. So that's part one. Stick that back in there front now. What else is in here? We got hardware enclosed. That's what it says. So let's got one. That's a big. Oh, that's for the ground and directions for pads and another clip thingy. Here's what I was looking for, because I am going to look at the instructions. I've been looking at them online because they did a video on it. I wish they did. So, we won't be needing that to wire because it's going to be a whole lot of work just to get to where we got to get to. I think. You got pictures. That's all I need. Everybody sciences, you know. Step needed to install 24 and up backup camera kit. We're going to need tools required. Needed for this job: a T15, a T20, a 7/32 socket and driver, a 10mm socket and driver, wire cutters, small screwdriver, and an optional push pin puller. And the instructions, I done did that one, I made sure. This instruction: RT limited F3 model camera plug-in under the trunk of the F3 or the F3T back cover. Follow these steps to continue the installation on your new backup camera system. Your first needs to verify your 24 and up Spyder is featured. This feature enabled by the latest software update. You need to go to the preference and just go to the backup camera and then turn it on. Did that already. Did that after I ordered it because they said it would work. That's step one. What's step 2 and 3? Uh-oh. It skips right to 4. I need 2 and 3. That's 9, 10, and 11. 11. Oh, backside. Flip the page over. It didn't say flip the page over. Remember going to school and you're taking the STT sked or something, and it says, or somewhere, flip page over from. It didn't tell me to flip page over. I don't, you know. All right. Next, remove the rear trunk by using the OME key to unlock the center lock located at the bottom of the trunk. Once the lock is removed, lift up the front of the truck, release the truck thingy and pull out. So I'm gonna do that. Let me do that. Alright, we got that off. Pretty easy. You got a thing inside you turn to unlock it on the inside, and you got a little push thing. Push it in, lift it up, unplug the plug for lights and speakers, and then go back to the instructions. Cause I went ahead and took the seat off thing because they got them bolts. That bolt's so tight, it's hard to get the thing down in there. I'm gonna loosen that up. All right, let's see what it says here. Next, remove the trunk, OEM key, lift trunk up, U-shaped slots. Huh? Remove, you will see. Oh, two arm, okay. Guess those things right there. Allowing the trunk to lift off, take the U-shape the trunk off the U. Yep. Did that when installing. Make sure you unplug the bar and harness. Make sure remember top back screw as shown above. Actually, it's below. Oh, I can't read. Huh? So which side are we working on any dang way? On both sides. Gee whiz. Alrighty. Gotta get my teeth 15, 20 something. Alright, them two screws you had the screws we took out of that thing was here, here, and here. These are here. Is that a washer? It is. I can't get a hold of it. Anyway, there and there, take the top ones out. And I'm gonna lose that washer if I don't take it out. And probably forget to put it back in there. Alright. That loosened that up. So I think now we move on to step 4. Step 4. Next, with a small screwdriver. He didn't say I had it, or did it? I forgot to get the small screwdriver. This was a small screwdriver. Unclip the gas spring shot and lay down on the side of the saddlebag. Use your T20 screw wrench and slide panel screw around saddlebags. Okay, I'm gonna get my small screwdriver. Alright, I got my small screwdriver. I know it's mine because it's got my name on it. Well, first you gotta unlock this thing. Alright, small screwdriver. I need to do something that says something, do something else on it. The pictures don't tell you, but there's screws all the way around that thing. So now I popped it off, and now I need to look at the instructions again to see what's next. And it's, don't use your Superman strength, and there's a tab somewhere that needs to be snapped off. That I snapped off probably, I don't know. It was stuck. I unstuck it, that's all that matters. Oh, we did all that thing. Now, locate the backup camera main. That GoPro's get glitching. It says right. Oh, that's probably locate the plug that says has a false. Ooh, scared me. I bet you it's on the other side. That's for that. Pictures ain't picturing right. Hi. I'm assuming this is it. It's a false plug, right? That's what it looks like. So, maybe that's it. So, but they don't know what they're doing. If that's it, I went all through all this just to get that one plug right here. I give up. Instructions. Says I had to remove this 7/32 screw that's a mile long to go through that much plastic. They didn't want it to go nowhere. So you can... Alright, here's what it did. You take that screw off, it pulls out just enough that you can run the wires up behind here and reach in. And the plugs that you give plugs into here, and the camera plugs into here. And then they give you these little screws. I ain't figured out where they go yet. I ain't got that far. And then you give you this little jumper thingy. Might reverse polarity, I don't know. Some zip ties. Heat shrink, that's a big heat shrink. My alcohol pad I'll need in a minute. And it's the hardware enclosed because I need this one bolt that I don't remember they telling me what size it was. So let me get a wrench. A socket. I want a socket so I can sock it to it. Ooh, 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 sock it to it. Get some wind in here. Was raining, now it's cloudy, now it's raining. No, maybe it's a 1/2 inch. Is it? Nope. If it is, it won't fit in that one. Nope. Is it a 9/16? Nope. Is it a 12? Yep. Wouldn't you know it, I figured it'd be metric. But this got a 7/32, so therefore everything's not metric. But anyway, they got a hole for it. That's what she said right there. But you got to put that ground right here. And there is a plug. Maybe that's where the reverse polarity comes in, that adapter thing. Which I'm pretty sure this is reverse polarity. Reverse polarity. Now let me see if I can get my hand down in there. I'm going to use this. Why does it do that? I need that off to put on this. So I can stick it down in there. And cross thread it, because cross thread tight is tight. Comes on. Because everything should be right unless I got to reverse the polarity. Don't you go nowhere. I can't see you in my way. There you are. Hey, I'm on the Spyder camera that you looking at here that's up there, so that means I got it right. Nelly. Now I got it. What? How you stick that on there? It goes like that. Is that real good? We'll see. I can adjust it down. But I don't think... We'll do that in a minute. Alright, we got all that situated. I just got to glue that light, which... that camera's pretty heavy. It gave you screws. I remember. Now that's what them little screws are for. So I'm going to do all that, and then we'll be back in a minute. Or a second. Probably be an hour for me. But for y'all, well, as you can see, it's all back together. It looked like it was when it first came here. Oh, Lordy. Alright, let's close this thing out. And pollen's getting to me. I can feel my sinuses draining. Drink me some armor. I go cut the grass now. Summertime grass cutting. Check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button. It wasn't that hard. Just go to the left side, not the right side first. Later.